It's like this, that we have been very, very clear that we would want to take the district, take the administration closer to the people, whether it's subdivisions, whether it's blocks, or whether it's the districts. We are examining each of the demands at an individual level. What is important for us to realize is that whatever we do as a government, it must have overall, logical, end to it. And Sora, the issues are there. We're trying to figure out how to resolve those issues. And it'll take too much time to go through it. But then, in a nutshell, we have formed a committee which is headed by the Chief Secretary that is examining all these demands and has been doing it, in fact, for the past almost 4-5 months after the assembly session. We had set it up. And based on that, the recommendations are coming to the government. And based on the recommendations that are coming to us, we are, as per the recommendations, examining those matters and taking decisions. So we will wait for that report to come from the Chief Secretary's committee. And it's not necessary that all the demands have to come at the same time. So as and when the Chief Secretary sends in the status report on each of the demands, will come in and decide.
So after the major cabinet